Love perfect coffee but hate uneven pours? Meet the Bodum Bistro Gooseneck Electric Kettle, your ultimate pour-over companion. With its elegant gooseneck spout, you get precise control over water flow for that perfect brew every time. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a natural cork handle, it's stylish, comfortable, and protects your hands. Convenient and cordless, it heats water quickly and shuts off automatically for peace of mind. Perfect coffee, made simple. The Bodum Gooseneck Kettle. Elevate your brewing game today. Amazon link is below. Click to purchase now.